Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for steno legal dictations. Be ready for the legal passage. Start. Exercise of power under section 482 of the code in a case of this nature is the exception and not the rule full stop. This section does not confer any new powers on the High Court full stop. It only saves the inherent power which the court possessed before the enactment of the code full stop. It envisages three circumstances under which the inherent jurisdiction may be exercised, namely within brackets small I, to give effect to an order under the code within brackets small 2I, to prevent abuse of the process of court, and within bracket 3 small I, to otherwise secure the ends of justice full stop. It is neither possible nor desirable to lay down any inflexible rule which would govern the exercise of inherent jurisdiction full stop. No legislative enactment dealing with procedure can provide for all cases that may possibly arise full stop. Courts comma therefore comma have inherent powers apart from express provisions of law which are necessary for proper discharge of functions and duties imposed upon them by law full stop. That is the doctrine which finds expression in the section which merely recognizes and preserves inherent powers of the high courts full stop. All courts comma whether civil or criminal possess in the absence of any express provision as inherent in their constitution all such powers as are necessary to do the right and to undo the wrong in course of administration of justice on the principle when the law gives a person anything it gives him that without which it cannot exist full stop. While exercising powers under the section comma the court does not function as a court of appeal or revision full stop. Inherent jurisdiction under the section though wide has to be exercised sparingly, carefully, and with caution, and only when such exercise is justified by the tests specifically laid down in the section itself. Full stop. It is to be exercised ex debito justitia to do real and substantial justice for the administration of which alone courts exist full stop. Authority of the court exists for advancement of justice, and if any attempt is made to abuse that authority so as to produce injustice comma the court has power to prevent abuse full stop. It would be an abuse of process of the court to allow any action which would result in injustice and prevent promotion of justice full stop. In exercise of the powers court would be justified to quash any proceeding if it finds that initiation oblique continuance of it amounts to abuse of the process of court, or quashing of these proceedings would otherwise serve the ends of justice full stop and over. सो ये हमारी नियर अबाउट 80 WPM डिक्टेशन थी। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशंस।